Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will see a list of integration formulas that will make integration easy and fun-filled. The first we'll be looking at is the integral of x raised to power n. From our various lessons on integration, we've emphasized that this integral of x raised to power n will be the same thing as x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. A good example is if I'm to find the integral of x squared. This will become x raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Here, obviously, our n is 2 plus c. So that this is the same thing as x raised to power 3 over 3 plus c. Another example is if I have x raised to power 5. This becomes x raised to power 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus c. That's the same thing as x raised to power 6 over 6 plus c. Our second formula is the integral of 1. The integral of 1 is the same thing as x plus c. Now, when I'm integrating 1, I want you to observe this. 1 is the same thing as writing x raised to power 0, which is equals to x raised to power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1, like we saw earlier, plus c. This becomes x raised to power 1 plus c. That's x plus c. Our third example is the integral of a. I can easily interpret this as the integral of a x raised to power 0. Same thing we did at the integral of 1. So that this becomes a x raised to power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 plus c. So that this is the same thing as ax plus c. As a rule of thumb, anytime I'm integrating a constant, take for example, integral of 2 with respect to x will be the same thing as 2x plus c. Integral of 1000 with respect to x will be the same thing as 1000x plus c. Let's see our fourth example. In our fourth example, we'll start seeing the trigonometric functions. Now, let's start with the easiest, the integral of sine x. The integral of sine x is the same thing as negative cos x plus c. An easy way to remember this is that when you are differentiating, if I'm differentiating cos x with respect to x, my differential of cos x will become minus sine x. Now, since integration is a reverse of differentiation, the integral of sine x is minus cos x plus c. The integral of cos x will be the same thing as sine x plus c. Remember that when you are differentiating sine x with respect to x, we'll get positive cos x. Now, lastly is the integral of sec squared x. The integral of sec squared x is the same thing as tan x plus c. Remember also, when you are differentiating tan x, you get sec squared x. Now, if I have to integrate e raised to power x, the integral of e raised to power x is the same thing as e raised to power x plus c. Last but not the least on our list is the integral of 1 over x. The integral of 1 over x is ln x plus c. If you are differentiating ln x, definitely you differentiate ln x as 1 over x. With this list, I hope it will make integration fun-filled for you. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.